why did you leave your last job? In case if you are in between jobs or just landed into a new job, please comment below why did you leave your last job. So this is the most common question which we get in all interviews. Have you ever thought why the hiring manager is asking such questions? Yes, we need to ask why are they asking these questions. Here are the reasons why hiring manager needs to understand why you left your last job. So the first reason is to evaluate your reason for leaving. Professionals change jobs. There's nothing wrong in that. The hiring manager asks this question in the interview to know what happened. But the real opportunity is getting to know who you are as a person and as a professional. So the second reason is to establish whether you made the decision to leave or you were let go. If you are laid off, the hiring manager needs to understand whether the reason related to performance or integrity. They also trying to gauge your attitude. Can you take responsibility for your side of what happened, or you will put all the blame on the employer? My opinion is you should accept and move on. So the third reason is, did you leave on good terms? Your ability to build up and keep up the relationship says a lot about your diplomatic intelligence. So if your former boss is your champion and your prominent reference, your candidacy automatically gets a boost. Comment below with your thoughts on this video, like it and also share it with your friends. Do remember to subscribe and also comment below on what topic you want next video. Finally, thanks so much for watching.